Did you know that a simple furniture flip can transform your entire room's vibe? It's true. Just imagine taking something old and drab and turning it into a vibrant, eye-catching piece that totally elevates your space. Well, today, we're diving into an amazing DIY project that does just that. Hey there, DIY lovers! In this video, you'll learn how to transform a plain nightstand into a stunning pink statement piece that adds flair to your space. Whether you're looking to spice up your bedroom or just want to try your hand at some creative upcycling, this project is perfect for you. So, grab your tools and let's get started. Presentation of problem/challenge. Now, let's talk about the problem we're tackling today. Many people struggle with outdated or boring furniture cluttering their homes. You know what I mean, those sad, old pieces that just don't fit your aesthetic anymore. And the truth is, simply replacing furniture can be super expensive and wasteful. But here's the good news, we don't have to spend a fortune to achieve a fresh look. Today, we'll tackle this issue by upcycling an old nightstand. By giving it a little love and creativity, we can breathe new life into it, save some cash, and do our part for the planet. Sounds great, right? Exploration/development. Alright, let's dive into the step-by-step process of this transformation. First things first, we need to prepare our nightstand. Make sure it's clean and free of any dust or grease. If it has any knobs or handles, we'll remove those too. Next up, let's chat about paint. Choosing the right color is crucial. We're going for a fun and vibrant pink, but you can pick any shade that matches your style. Once you've got your paint, it's time to get creative. I like to use a high-quality chalk paint for that smooth finish, but you can use whatever you prefer. When applying the paint, don't rush. Take your time with even coats, and remember to let each coat dry before adding another. You might even want to use some painter's tape to create cool designs or patterns for a bit of extra flair. This is your chance to get artsy. Just imagine how amazing it'll look once it's all done. Climax/key moment. And now, the moment we've all been waiting for, watch as the plain nightstand undergoes a striking transformation. As we apply that vibrant pink color and those stylish details, it really starts to come to life. I mean, just look at that color pop. It's incredible how a simple change can make such a huge difference. This nightstand is no longer just an old piece of furniture, it's now a fabulous highlight of the room. You can even see the artistic touches we added really shine through, making it a true reflection of your personal style. Conclusion/summary. Wow, we've successfully turned a drab piece of furniture into a chic nightstand that showcases your personal style. This transformation not only brightens up your space, but it also shows just how fun and rewarding upcycling can be. Remember, it's not just about saving money, it's about being creative and giving new life to what you already have. So, don't hesitate to dive into your own DIY projects. If you enjoyed this transformation and want to see more fun projects like this, be sure to check out my other DIY videos. I'd love to hear your thoughts, so drop a comment below and let me know what you think or if you have any tips of your own. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more creative content. Thanks for watching, and happy crafting!